Welcome back, everyone, to Grow Rich, Grow Happy. Today, we're going to be discussing a possible opportunity that you guys can get in on. And that opportunity is a token by the name of Aerodrome Finance. Okay, I caught wind of this token now, I want to say probably about 10 days ago. And I seen it going up on Coinbase. And when I see names like finance and different things that got financing, I want to know what it's about first off, because that's a signal to me that it's something to deal with working with a layer two blockchain. So anyway, and I'll talk about that here in a second. But I did a little research on this token, and what I came across was that Coinbase Ventures invested into this token, and don't know how much, but I'm sure it was pretty heavy. Now, when you're doing any kind of research and you come across names like Coinbase Ventures, for one, that's this centralized exchange that a lot of us trade on, and then you hear names like Grayscale, BlackRock. Not saying that they have anything to do with this, but when you hear names like that that are involved in projects, that's a check. That should be a check automatically, because these guys don't put their money behind things that aren't legit. So for somebody like me, and I seen this, I said, okay, we own to something. That's check one. They got investors, and they got a really big investor. So big, in fact, that other people thought so as well. And this token surged from 9 cent to 25 cent, and that happened really fast when I was looking at the chart. And I'll go back and I'll show you that. But so yeah, and I was like, okay, so what are we talking about here? And they surge currently, according to CoinMarketCap. The trading has spiked over 4,000%. Imagine the person who was in at 9 cent or below 9 cent, somewhere around 2 or 3 cent. Man. Okay, so they reached 48 million, the trading volume. All right, they launched in October. And for those of you new to the crypto world, you think about this. They launched in October. Here we are just in March. This is how fast a project can change and go through the roof and change your life with it. So again, we don't know how much Coinbase invested, but I'm pretty sure it was a sizable amount. They didn't put like $2 in. Since the launch, the Layer 2 network has accumulated 400, and they're talking about Base now. The investment reinforces Base commitment to fostering its ecosystem growth. And what Base is, people, Base is a Layer 2 uh, network. And basically, what a Layer 2 blockchain basically does is, if you take something like, and I made a diagram for you right here. So here we go, and I just want to make you understand it. Take Aerodrome, and they're decentralized. Basically, the decentralized exchange, and Coinbase is centralized. And that caused, actually, right now, that's causing a little bit of a stir, because people are like, how is a centralized exchange going to basically back a decentralized exchange? Because they're almost like mortal enemies. One pay very little for transaction fees and different things. And then you got this centralized exchange over here who's basically getting a money grab in a way. And they can control everything. But nonetheless, they invested in these guys who are the decentralized exchange. And the way it works is, you have Ethereum down here, which is the turtle. And I got a turtle here because Ethereum, yes, it's on a layer one, but Ethereum is extremely slow and expensive when it comes to making a lot of deals. I had some crumbs basically in my wallet. I think it was like $200 in a token. It was one of my tokens, and I was like, well, I'm just gonna roll this over into one of my bigger plays. And that token happened to be on the Ethereum blockchain. So I said, okay, I'm just gonna roll this $200 over and put it into something else, maybe a Aerodrome. So I go to send this to my Coinbase wallet, and it says that my fees for this token on the Ethereum blockchain is my fees are higher than the value of my than what my tokens were. So my fees are higher than that. And I was like, you have got to be kidding me. So I'm forced to hold this token and ride with it or add more to it so I can basically get rid of it. So that's just an example. And it's extremely slow, especially when a lot of people are working on this exchange. When a lot of people are making a lot of transactions on Ethereum, and trust me, there is a lot. It get congested and the fees they just start rising. You start paying a lot of money just to make one transaction. So essentially Base, that's what they're for. Base is a layer two that Coinbase has. That's their layer two. And I have the nice little secretary here, and she's processing a lot of different forms because what she's doing, that's their answer. This is Coinbase's answer to to Ethereum slow and expensive pace. What they're gonna do, this decentralized exchange up here, they're providing the liquidity. They're gonna take your money and they're going to pass it off to these guys right here, which is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. I hope you guys follow me. I'm trying to break this down, make it as simple as possible. So they're going to take your all the transactions, one or two, or they're going to bundle them, and then they're going to process them for Ethereum, essentially making it cheaper on you and faster for you. So that's what the base is. Base is the layer two uh, exchange blockchain that Aerodrome is basically working through, which is why I believe this is going to be a pretty good project because it's solving a problem. Right now, at the time of making this video, this token is going for 78 cents. That is huge. When you think probably what was it, about less than 2 weeks ago, this thing was going for like 9 cents. My God. And as a matter of fact, let's check it. And for those of you, because I've getting a lot of questions on where you get these tokens. Actually, this particular token, Aerodrome Finance, can be found on Coinbase, Uniswap. All the places different here. I actually bought mine on Coinbase. I felt like it's safer. And I got in when I want to say probably about 29 cents and 29.30 cents, and I bought 4 batches of this. I got 2 of them in the 30, 20 and 30 cent range, and the other two I got around 46 cents. So I'm up on my investment, which is great. And you're not late. I feel like this. You got to think this ain't even went through the bull market yet. It hasn't. And with the halving right around the corner, man, just think about that. This not even there yet. They're high. Well, their market cap, they're still a low market cap right here. They're doing pretty good volume. The token supply, this is what I love. The token supply. Just at what? They're just at 1 billion for the total supply. A lot of it's out there. You come on down here, and their high is 84 cent, people. They're actually creeping up on their high again. This is easily gonna break $1 and more. You're gonna hear a lot about this. You're gonna hear a lot about this token. Their all-time high is 84 cent. 84 cent. And their low is 61 cent. So they're above their low and they're creeping up on their high again. I think this is one to watch because again, they're solving a problem. They are solving a problem. Hold on. Give me a second. They solving a problem. Because anybody who's made any trades decentralized trades or decentralized trades, if you made any decentralized trades, you see how much um your tokens can be. Just the fee to transfer or the fee to buy a coin. Man, I got into a pre-sale not long ago, and just to get it was on the Ethereum blockchain, this particular token, and just to I put $500 in this pre-sale, and then just to get it to go through cost me somewhere close to 30, 40, about $40 in Ethereum, because other people was making a bunch of transactions as well. So I'm all for people who can solve that problem for Ethereum. And that's the one gripe I have about Ethereum. So many people use it that it bogs the system down and makes it expensive. So the base network, and don't, there's no coin, no token for base, but this right here, the base network, they aim to solve that and working with these guys right here. So when you buy these tokens that are hard to find, some of these tokens that you can't get, some of these pre-sales, and you use Aerodrome, and they're going to take it through the base, and they're going to take care of all those processing fees and get it out the way so that Ethereum won't have to, which is going to push your stuff through. That's a win-win. So that's why I believe, and plus Coinbase is backing them. Coinbase is backing them. You can't beat that. So that's why I think this is an opportunity. Again, it's on its way up right now, so I don't know what you would like to. I don't know if it's something I would jump in until they did it like a pullback, like today, right here. I I don't buy stuff like this. I wait, because look at this. Look at this sideways action that was going. This is accumulating. This thing is accumulating right now, and it's ready to go higher. It's just gonna launch higher. So if you go back here, we in March, right? You go back here around February 26th, and you see where it was at. It was at 13 cents. And for all my new investors, that's how fast stuff can go. This is why I love crypto and why you should too. We're talking about life-changing paper here, growing wealth. So you take it and it went up, and it's never went back down to these lows. Look at this. Look at this. We're right here. I picked up some around here at 36. I know I did that, or 31. But yeah, I don't even think it's gonna go back down here. I don't even think it's gonna go back down there. Not financial advice, but right now, when you see this sideways action, people just buying it, accumulating, and that's gonna help push it up. So do your due diligence. But Aerodrome Finance is one, and again, 78 cents. It depends. Like, you do your research, you don't have nothing to worry about. Let's just say you had $1,000, and I would still wait a little bit. Sometimes waiting hurts you, but I would wait a little bit for a nice little pullback. So you pumped $1,000 into this, and then your investment jumped to, like, and say it go up to like $10 during this bull run. And trust me, it's possible. This bull run, oh man, look at your money. Look how much money you made. You do the math. All right. Just wanted to bring that one to you guys. Check it out. Aerodrome Finance.